Hello guys, mami mapaw bumiyang tabiri ba khwai pum namak pu ikok no na khurumjeri. Ngasigi humpurak shuba episode sida taram na okcheri. Ahan mapaw oina thamjeri ba asi NIT Manipur ki Auguri 2019 pangthokhi bagi mapaw ni. Institute of Manipuri Arts and Mingthon ba Film Institute lingkat ki bagi mapaw na ani subada thamjeri. Saji bagi no mapaw macharaw bunumit ki mapaw na ahum subada thamjeri. Mami Thawan Foundation na Waisit Lamsing Pangthokhi bagi mapaw na mari shuba mapaw oina thamjeri. Mga suba amadi aroy ba oina thamjeri ba mapaw na taraga ni thoirak shuba Manipur State Film Award amadi tarag humdoirak shuba mami nimit pangthokhi bagi mapaw na. So folks, let's have a look at Auguri 2019. Let's drift into utopia.
NIT Manipur Langol Campus Infalda Institute Sindana Auguri 2019 gi thoram haukiba March 18 nagi hoguna April ma fawba numit mari ni chumna pangthokuna mapung phana lotion kray. Drift into Utopia have team the Yumpam Oikiba Auguri 2019 asida Voice of Auguri, Auguri Thaval, Land Gaming, Auguri Football and Sport Events sing Spelling Bee, Battle of Bands, Cosplay, Debate, Dance, Fusion Night, Extempore Speech, Quiz, Amadi Meets Auguri Kanmana, Mapung Oiba Saktam sing Oiki.
Hello guys, this is Tenzing and welcome to yet another year of a beautiful Miss Auguri 2019, and here we are. Mami Pao is giving you the full highlights of the Miss Auguri 2019. We have a beautiful audience and you get to watch the full highlights with the beautiful contestants of the Miss Auguri 2019.
Sarugya kiba Mairoi Singna Kaurangna Maroiba Taurama Moina Ngaina Kiba Miss Auguri Contesta Langoldagi Elizabeth Zothang Pui Kongsai Veng Laifam Kunodagi CH Naitinal Hing Mate Amadi Sagolban Ingudam Leka Dagi Bona Laistrom Na Matangsina second runners up, first runners up Amadi Miss Auguri title sing Launaki.
Hello guys, I am Zik Ladybasi. I am Miss Auguri 2019 organizers and of course one of the most successful pageant on all over the Manipur. Hanang Miss Auguri su takraba aduga Miss Manipur da su top 10 contestants singi manung da chalaba adugumba Miss Amakakni Miss Teresa, welcome to Mami Pao.
Thank you,
ahamada khoi handaki Miss Ogri gi organize story se adi contestants they are very competitive this time aduga handaki kitang hai tare thak se chahi guding wang khale aduda Mr. Isa gi saruk se yawi rongani miyam da handaki Miss Ogri gi matang da wafam kitang thambira mo isana thengna jaba
event ama sinbaje asuk yamna waramgani se handak nahan ba थेंगनाजबने अदो इवेंट से मपुंग फाना लोशिलगा टेक ता कायदा बयावबा इवेंट अमा ओइजारगा अदुदा फंगकतबा नुंगाइबदुना अवाबु पुनमक कावो ओरसनुना हाइजनी
तेरेसा से हाना जो अखोई NIT की छात्र मक्सु ओइजरी अदुगा केनोगा हाइतारे अखोई पेजेंट सिंग से दुम अखोई मकपान दसु अतोप पेजेंट सिंग से दुम याव टाइटल्स म्याम लौबिग्रे अदो हजिकी ओके हाइतारे हंदकी यावरिबा पार्टिसिपेंट सिंग से कमाई तौबिगे सागी वखलोन
हंदक के यार पार्टिसिपेंट सिंग से ऑडिशन राउंड सिदा राउंड अनेरा क्वेश्चन जुरी ना मथंग मथंग हंगजला कांदा नईरा कांदा खलक पंगाक्तनी अदो क्वेश्चन कुंबदस यामना फजना हाइदी कना खंदोइनो खंगदा खै खलक पंगाक्तनी अदो चाही अदुम ओलक खुदिंगी contestant sing se magun lai basum hengale so hengering akoi gi NIT Manipur si both locals and non locals mayam ama tamba sat institute amani satra na mayam punjil laga masidai sida cultural round educational round adagi di tech fest and makhal thok na mayam lai re adubu ogri gi dadi cultural round ga educational round ga na saruk aina mapumoi na saruk ya bani masidai sida akoi na pumna culture pumna tuition na bayaba adagidi akhoi laizariba culture se akhoi atopa lakpa mapandagi lakpa chhatra mayam amada su showcase tawjaba yabagi platform ma lawjabani haizani
Aduki magic fazai aduga and of course we have in the background all the 10 contestants they are having the question round and soon we'll get to know the 3 winners of Miss Ogri 2019 we'll catch to you soon.
Yes, the second runner-up goes to contestant number 4, Elizabeth Zatongpui. Yes, the first runner-up of Miss Ogri 2019 goes to contestant number 10, Nathan Ling Mate. All right, without any further delay, the winner of Miss Ogri 2019 goes to... Yes? All right, goes to contestant number 6, Bona Lysrom. Yes, I would like to request the reigning Miss Ogri, Dolina Tokchon.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Miss Ogri 2019, contestant number 6, Bona Lysrom.
Thank you, all the beautiful contestants. Like I said, we're all winners tonight. Please don't lose heart. There's always next time. You've all done exceptionally well. And congratulations to all the winner of Miss Aubrey 2019. You all are deserving.
So here it is, guys, the final moment of Miss Aubrey 2019. We have the winners with us, and so we're going to introduce you one by one. First of all, let's start with the second runner-up.
Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth Zotangpui. I'm hailing from Langol. I'm 22 years of age. Thank you.
Right, she's the second runner-up. First, we'll come to the first runner-up.
Hi everyone, my name is Nadine Tingmate and I'm from Tengnapal village, currently residing at Khongsaving Life in Kuno. Right now I'm doing my BTech in this NIT Manipur. Thank you.
First runner-up, congratulations. So, of course, the winner here tonight, the Miss Aubrey 2019, which will be the reigning crown Miss Aubrey for the whole next year. So, what's your name and please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. I am Bona Laishram. I am from Sagoban Ingodam Lekai. I have just completed my MBBS from Regional Institute of Medical Science, and I will be working as a junior doctor in RIMS. Thank you. Today is one of the most important day of my life, and I'm feeling very happy to be crowned as Miss Aubrey. I'm standing here not alone. I'm standing here as a collective effort for all the people who have helped me, my parents, my friends, and my teachers. And thank you once again to all my friends, my family, and my dear teachers for guiding me here and letting me up to the stage which I am today. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much to all the winners and congratulations. Congratulations once again. So here we are, we have the winners of Miss Aubrey 2019 and you are watching Mamim Pao with cameraman Somorjit. This is your host Tenzing, and let us all say bye together to all the Impact TV Mamim Pao viewers over here. All right, so bye-bye.
Congratulations to all the beautiful ladies NIT Manipur busu thagachari. Mathangi season da su mapung fana hena chawthok na pangthok pangambu oibiu. Mathangi lokachariba Institute of Manipuri Arts haina mingthonduna iramdam asida Film Institute ama linkhatkibagi mapau asi ni ingtamasi.
Manipur Film na saknaraba mamiroi Irom Siam Kishore na linkatpa Institute of Manipuri Arts IMA Hanaming Thonba Film Institute ama tha sigi hogi patang marida Film Forum Manipur ki chairman S Mangol Jauna Maikhum Hangdokre thauram madu Performing Arts Center da pangtokhi
sigi institute sina ahan bada focus ta godu si film da nayamba oina tawgani ngasigi lairiba Institute of Manipur Arts haibasa masi hidais da sanga pamatam da hayeng soidana magi sanaba role amam phangna film mai bise soida sidebu sanga aba film so kumani adu tamo sang so film production su ma tawjabani aduna mana film puthorpa matam soida puthorkani puthorpa da sida apaba mi yaura gadi madu soidana ma fit torkani mi gonda mi rawro and then amana atopa producer na film puthorpa matam da aikoina oi hero heroine do makti producer duna sendo hanjandaba yadabina gokul ne kiya kaiku ne kiya whereas mamane bi sabi mamana ba saba mayama malakani masya equation institute tagi he ne mardi ke lanai ne thiru bje ko yam wai aduna equation institute ai bisin tu da nangi du karma ngang yauri photo ke de yengjege har kanda adi ko tamo sam ka sota hangani du ngang du khar pai aduna du ki character du sa pakar fada yaura do
Sagolban Teratrong Lekai the Lega Institute say Porompat TV Tower Manak the Laiba Performing Arts Center the Hangdok Oina class Chatagadori. Film Gesangna Bumio Kiana Saruyaduna Hangdok Live Film Institute Sida Tamning Busingna April Kun Public the form Lobiab Kudong Java BD.
Ahal ibungo Irom Siam Kisor busu haningai leitana thagachari. Film gitai bangda khongdaning basingi damakta tasingna yamna chawba khudong chaba amani haina thamjagi. And viewers, it's time for a short break. We will be back. You can keep watching Impact TV. Welcome back. Adom ni yengbiriba asi Impact TV ni sandokchariba asina mami mapaugi humpurak shuba episode ni. Haujek sajibugi nong mapanba chairawa miyamna haraw tayamna pangthok na kibagi mapau asi amu. Miting tama.
Sajibugi nong mapanba chairaw-bagi thoram iramdamasigi tampaki mafam kayada tha sige uke patang taruk thang janumita yumthong singda mathel lukoi kya sin langduna mapung fana pangthokre.
Olak kasi mayam do nungai ako oi sanoi na hajani
pi oi basingna mayam maidi mabung jingda angamba khudon bot sing pira koidagi thaujan nijaba numit adum mane hajani majim naw ying oi bagi mari de amna chechanan bu jo elen khanjai
Maitai Singi Chay Hobo Numit ni Haina Lona Riba Numida Sida Kairoi Lekai the Insang Mathil Sing Lana Duna Harong Tayamagaloina na Cha Taklaba Matung Manak Nakpadaleba Ching Singda Ching Mana Wang Bugum Laka the Pachahia Sibu Mitoi Mihenba Mai Pakwa Oiba Ngamge Habu Wakalol Galoina na Kaba Hibasi Lamda Masida Mahurol the Gichana Duna Lakaba Machatam Oiduna Lakli Kumsi Kumjagi Show Oiki.
Sak kal chasal weyumda adu ngakdang digest oina ba ngakdang angang me ka lakpuni
chahi khara se chahi manga tru ki manu se yam hong mama lakpa si yam na nungai jai akoi mitai lining chat pa or chat tabagi wana taba koi gi oina mitai gi oina tatseng na leijera ba koi gi tonga na haita de ko sajibu nong mapan ba se meyam na koi matam ma da yam kanaram de yam tawnaram de du ngasi de maximum mi sing se koi chafam bau leite aduna masi hong mama lai ha ba masi uri ba sing na isakhi ne khanjai
smaina koi gi mitai gi oiba Life Mamada ngasi sajibugi charaw numita lai khorma phangjabase aigidi yam nungai jai haitare yam nungai ba phawe anoba chahina lakpasida mayamsu hoi mitai gi oiba haitare sigumba laifam singda lai khoramba lakpiduna aidi mitai ekhoi gi oiba nat pu kanba haitare adumaina tahonninge mayamsu loi ayambana su loinama mitai haiba akhoi mitai gi oiba loinama nushijaba ngaktanina mayamna su hena tawbirakani haina khale
Maitai chahi haukiba asiga loinana anauba chahi asi pumna maki yaifaba haibadu oirasunu haina wish pizari. Upcoming next, Mami Thawan Foundation is sinduna chairau chingda waisit lamseng pangthokibagi mapauni mi incoming asi.
Chairau Singda Mami Thawan Foundation Mapungoi Bathaudang Lauduna Waisit Lamsengi Taurama Mathasi Okibatang Tareta Pangthokre.
Serau bagi nongan basi ai sei kudingi semana he karaga pambisi kana mangang singyan ta damne thuduk piramba loinana motion ba khosan basi koina sengtong nung bagi ang kadage isu kajarak bani karima club le masu club ki meeting lor gam sengtong sagi karak bani ada suddenly Mami Thawana semaina aru en adi mayam gi moli ba kholi ba mayam sengdok pirama sa sukimati haifam khangdana nuai je amadi thagachari
Mapungoina Sairaubaga Marilena Chinka Laklam Mioi Singna Saikai Basing Adu Sitok Semdok Thoram Aduda Romi Maitei Zoni Kaba Isomani Subas Amadi Romi Lamabum Chingba filmmaker actor editor Loinana football player Chingba Kayana Sarugyaki
Sajibu Noma Panba Cheraubogi Kanoda Hogi Mausadagi Dum Satarpa Haitare Chai Sing Hauna Matelukoi Charaga Hogi Sing Kabagi tradition Hanadum Tore Adugozi Matamatang in the Tolapa Hogi Plastic Kumaguma Mayam Haitare and Hawaii Nachi the Yoma Saramadu Hosinamu Lebakatas and Tumangam the by the plastic amna over problem mama world unit thing but Kanoja Hoist I'm not now Zixum Tenere. Ado mayam nusung sai video tu biramani hek makong degina dum maton bausi plastic ki kano mayam sidi angak pane aduna Mami Thawan na masi sengdokjabani aduga tang 13 gi nonganbadasu trangwasi sengbiningba yaubiragadi adum mami thawan ga tim punna sengminasi mayam dum lakpio aduga akoigi news and event mayam na dum khangbiningasu akoigi website www.mamithawan.com da sangbiraga akoigi news and events yengbiu aduga support tawbiu
ngasi mami thawana chairok chingda khoi amora kai mayam ama kaino lerambada mami thawana si team jina tarokanda sengdok pokotpa tasena arda aiju khangjade da khoi marum pang dagi ahlaman mami thawan da yoba mayam sum paw phaunar dai sain tawbu khop tawi adudi aiju yogjage hain pain tor lakpani ada mayam manarga smaina amora kai sengdokpa luwa nanba kana tokje aiju yam nuai je saina mami thawan gi team da yawba yaw kana mayam pulap kana tongminapse
ching karpa ichinaw mayamna charam tharamba plastic huntomba sing saita taramba khoi mayam so service tongminabani ngasi asi tarik 13 cherauba si nonganbaga tarik 30 da khoi mayam punna mu sengtokpagi plan leijari asida mayam punna support tobiu
mami thawan gi team na pangthok chariba si koi amot akai lejaramba mayam su ubiram lagani ngasagi mayam adu akoi gi mami thawan gi team na koi sengjabani ngasi akoi yam thajadana professional footballer dasubas hoi lengbirak tuna akoi gi mami thawan gi team da yaubiduna mateng pangbirak se khoi yam nungai matumgi khoi gi tarkadaba tang 35 da sengdok khotokpagi thorom asida mayamna yaubiningba yaurugadi mateng pangbining yaurugadi lakpiyu
tongan tongan ba film gi chen songjabat yam yauraga samaina khoi tawbiduna ngasi athobasing leiriba chirau singi phajaba sektam ama kannaba honabada lauriba mayam ase khoi matungse kaujroi khoi chirau singbu nalhanbada manipur da leiba miyamna su cooperation pibiu ngasi lakpiriba singsibu aina khoi nahar lesem club na yamna thagatpa amsu nungaiba phongdoksari
Mami Thawan United.
Great work team Mami Thawan, keep it up. Tamjiningai ni chokthok cheningai ni ngasi khunaya sigidamakta Mami Thawan na laubiriba thaudang singgidamakta thagachani. Hauji amuk leizare taraga ni thoirak shuba Manipur State Film Award amadi taraga humdoirak shuba Mami Numit mapungfana pangthokhibagi mapau mi ingtamisi.
Tarahumdoisu mami numida madi tarani thoi suba Manipur State Film Award 2019 tha se ge hokip tang mapanda MSFBS ki changkholaba auditorium da mapung fana pangthokre Manipur State Film Development Society ni sindu pangthok ki thorum aduda mami numit puna film forum Manipur observe tauki thorum aduda iramdamas gi saknai rebin mami roi yengkhom roma da Manipur State Film Development Society gi lifetime achievement award khushin aduna ikai khumna ba uthi Panbayai award ceremony asigi manung channa feature film kanglupta taibang kaithel gidamak khwairakpam Vishwamitra the best actor laman namagi hana mingthom film gidamak Saroja Chongthamda best actress Aruba Ichel gidamak O Gokam the best direction and the best screenplay gi Mana Singh Lanthoki best playback singer da Nupi Khonjal da Maramchanu film gidamak Umolata amadi Nupa Khonjal da Wonam film gidamak Todre so kashing na taba ngamki amarom the best critic award Herojit Nongmai Themna amade best book award na film gi Khongchat Punsi gi Mathel have larik gidamak Yambem Tombina hangbang amnaki
Congratulations to all the award winners, Manipur State Film Development Society amadi Film Forum Manipur anibusu thagachari thauram singbibagidamakta. And that's all we have for you in this episode. Let's hope for more entertaining news at the upcoming episodes. But you guys, please keep watching Impact TV and do subscribe our channel on YouTube, and also never forget to leave your comments. See you soon. Bye.